Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your login issue on Airbnb. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is simply force close and reopen your Airbnb application. If that doesn't work, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and reset your password, because sometimes it could be because of your password that you've forgotten or something like that. The other thing you could do is also check your internet connection. So toggle between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Make sure that VPN is always turned off. And then you can also try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode. Once you've done that, head into your settings and tap on General. Finally, go all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings. This should go ahead and fix the problem. However, if it still doesn't, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your application. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.